Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make Chinese sticky rice. I hope you like it! First, you will need some boneless chicken. I decided to remove the skin, but it's entirely up to you if you want to keep it. Cut the chicken into bite sizes and then marinate them with half a tablespoon of sesame oil, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of potato starch. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Soak glutinous rice overnight, then rinse and drain. You will also need to soak shiitake mushrooms overnight. Remove the stem and cut them into bite sizes. Mince a bulb of garlic and some shallots. Soak the dried shrimps for around 10 minutes and chop up the Chinese sausages. And here are all the ingredients we'll be using. Heat up a generous amount of oil and start stir frying the garlic and shallots on medium heat until they're fragrant. Turn the heat to low and then add in the Chinese sausage. Then add in the dried shrimps and fry until fragrant. Add in the chicken and cook on low heat for a few minutes. Add in the shiitake mushrooms and cook on medium heat. Add in the rice and carry on cooking. Turn the heat to high and add in half a cup of the shiitake mushroom liquid. Continue cooking for a few minutes. Turn the heat to low and then add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, a pinch of pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Combine everything together. This is totally optional. I've added half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce to make the rice slightly darker. Continue cooking on low heat for a few more minutes. So we're on to the final step now. You'll have to steam the rice for around 30 to 40 minutes until the rice is cooked through. So this is how the rice looks like after steaming for 40 minutes. Before serving, sprinkle spring onions all over, and again this is totally optional. And that's how I make Chinese sticky rice. Easy and delicious. Thanks for watching!